Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds Star Wars 2. First, ensure your Android device runs a compatible operating system, typically Android 4.1 or higher. You can download the game from the Google Play Store by searching for Angry Birds Star Wars 2 and tapping Install. Once downloaded, open the app to begin your adventure across the galaxy. You'll choose to play as the birds or the pigs. To play, you'll select from a wide roster of characters, each with unique powers. Drag your finger back on the slingshot to adjust the trajectory and power of your shot. Release to launch your character towards the enemy structures. Remember to tap the screen after launching to activate your character's special ability, like Obi-Wan Kenobi's Force Push or Darth Maul's double-bladed lightsaber spin. Timing is key for maximum destruction. For higher scores, focus on targeting structural weak points, like glass or ice, to collapse entire sections. Look for environmental hazards such as TNT crates or unstable platforms that can cause chain reactions. Experiment with different characters on each level to find the most effective strategy. Your goal is to earn 3 stars on every stage by destroying all enemies and structures with the fewest birds possible. Angry Birds Star Wars 2 features a vast array of characters, each with distinct abilities inspired by the Star Wars universe. You can even use telepods, which are physical toy figures, to instantly bring new characters into your game by scanning them with your device's camera. This adds an exciting dimension to collecting and playing. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Enjoy exploring all the characters and their powers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.